ED plans to replace Mohadi with Mthuli Ncube. Sanapera mashoko anobuda ayo ari shocking achinogona kukupa nemuzimu ayo aiwa tinoona kuti this later yavanona chiprison paramba kuti subscribe like on the bell icon tipina pana mamuda mekwa mchinzi by Baba Juwa. Later to the editor, the whisper of thrones. The editor, the winds of Harare are alive with the whispers, a tale carried through corridors of power and the shadowy bedrooms. It is said that His Excellency President Emerson Mnangagwa was plotting a quiet reshuffle of his inner court, with the seasoned Kembo Mohadi standing at the edge of the political chessboard. In his place, like a phoenix rising, looms Mthuli Ncube, the banker, turned minister who guards the nation's coffers with a practiced hand. If the memos from the president's inner circle are to be believed, this move is less about governance and more about trust, the sentiment etched in the currency of loyalty. Mthuli Ncube, the steward of physical stability, is seen as the president's man through and through. His ascent, it seems, is the culmination of a bond forged in financial strategies and sealed with the currency of unwavering allegiance. Yes, yet, as the speculation swells, George Charamba, the president's trusted mouthpiece, remains conspicuously silent. His lips, often quick to squash or confirm, now seem sealed with the weight of political intrigue. From the lips of heavyweight insiders to the ears of the press, this tale has traveled, yet no official confirmation escapes the walls of power. As the drama unfolds, the nation waits, watching the chessboard with bated breath. The story of Zimbabwe's leadership continues to be one written not just in policies but in poetry of alliances, the rhythm of power plays, and the prose of whispered ambitions. Anobvanyora achiti ndatenda Baba Juwa ndomasvika anobuda chinyoko panapa aiwa achiexposa zviri kuitika aiwa the regime kana kuti kugovernment kumusoro uko nematop officials. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like.